Come on.
See, it just comes more naturally to you.
Is it?
Yeah, it does.
Well, that's what's happening.
Yeah.
All right.
Hi, welcome back.
That's it's just coming naturally to me. Yeah. So you don't want to do opening. I'll do it.
I just forget what to say.
Okay, I'll do it. Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to Just Shake or Steer. My name is Georgi, and
My name is Neve.
for those of you who are new to the channel, just so we kind of remind you who we are, you're watching Just Shake or Steer, and this is, another video from the new set. Ooh, fabulous.
Oh, yeah?
I mean, I feel good. I feel good in this set, and if you watch some of the old videos, obviously you know the old bar. And we had a suggestion actually to make a short snippets of the evolution of the bar, because that's a change number 5, I think.
Is it?
Yeah, or 6. I think it's 5.
First one I've ever seen.
I know, I've changed a lot. So considering from where I start, I start with a table with one bottle behind me, literally nothing.
You've still only got the one.
Yeah. I mean, I need to, if you find on the channel the Nitro Espresso Martini, it's one of the first videos and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's an empty room and I'm just, trying to be, presenter. No, you should see it. It's still on the channel, okay? But anyway, welcome back and nice to see you smiley faces. Even we can't see you, but I hope you smile when you see us.
Better be.
Yeah? You smile? No? Come on, smile. That's it.
Welcome back.
Right, guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Just Shake or Steer. Don't forget, you can always click the subscribe button, of course, just to stay around and be notified what's going on. But, as always, if you're ready for some shakes, steers, and sips, make sure you stick around because we have a lovely cocktail coming for you just in a second.
I know I'm ready.
So, today we're doing another cocktail revision. A cocktail which I submit for competition a long time ago. I don't even remember which competition I did.
I didn't realise this was a...
Yeah, it was. It was. But it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter because...
It's going to taste nice. Anyway.
Yeah, it was one of those competitions when I just entered just so I can kind of, create something new and have a little play around it. That's all it is. Yes, the cocktail is called Julie Island. Julie Island.
Who's Julie?
No idea. Literally, don't ask me why it's called Julie Island. There was a story behind it, which I don't remember. And we just stuck with the name, Julie Island. So, don't know who's Julie.
Don't ask questions.
Never met Julie, no idea.
She's got a great island though.
She's got a great island, yeah. So, what competition was that? I think it was for Giffard competition.
Right.
Yeah, it was for Giffard competition, definitely. I'm pretty sure. Anyway, doesn't matter. I don't do competitions anymore, so it doesn't really matter. So
tired.
No, it's just too old for them. I had enough of them. Anyway, so the cocktail is based on rum. And if you watch the last week video when we did the Compañero, you'll see we're doing kind of the same vibe, like a funky tropical things, getting ready for the summer.
Just trying to channel some sun to the northwest.
Yeah. So without further ado, still waiting for what?
The sun.
Oh yeah. It's a UK, sun never comes. I mean, it comes sometime, but yeah. But anyway, without further ado, we're gonna make the cocktail, and if you're gonna start doing it if you want. If you want. So the cocktail is blend, guys. Yeah, you don't need shakers here, you need a blender. So everything goes in the blender. Use that, that's fine. And it's based on rum again. So there you go. Our rum which we're using is the cargo cooled banana spice rum. Use any banana rum if you can find, but it's based on banana rum, okay?
Banana.
So there you go. I don't know if you watched the Pacifico cocktail when
we used that, didn't we?
Yeah, we used that in the Pacifico just before we closed the old bar. When we freak out every bar, we say we're closing and they're like, what's happening? We closed. We open new one. There you go. So that's 30 ml.
An ounce.
An ounce, yeah, sorry. But everything's coming down on the screen anyway. Next ingredient, apricot brandy. Right, originally the cocktail was created with a pineapple liqueur, but as I say, this is a revision of cocktails and I kind of do improvement on them. I want to change the recipes to something which I think is more suitable and more balanced. And the original Julia Island was with a pineapple liqueur.
Yeah.
It was okay. But I think the apricot is gonna bring more like a, you know, stone flavor, like stone fruit flavor. It's balanced more the cocktail, and it's worked fantastic with rum. So there you go. That's the only reason. Then you have pineapple juice, which is 90 ml.
3 ounces.
3 ounces, yeah. So lots of things going on in, but it's blended. And the good things with this cocktail is that you can make a big blend, pitch,
Can
and
make
then
a pint.
no pint. You can make more than a pint. You can make a full blender. Then you can serve in like a cocktail pitch, big jar with ice, and just pour to the people. You know what I mean? It's fantastic. It's wonderful for parties. So you have vanilla syrup, half an ounce, or 15 ml for those who doesn't do ounces. I don't know why we keep doing ounces and mils and all this kind of stuff, but it's trying to accommodate everyone. So to balance everything, the sweetness, we're gonna use 15 ml or a half ounce of the lime juice. You what? I don't know what you're doing. Look at that. It's just mess everywhere. Leave it now. Leave it. That's her signature. You know what I mean. Anyway, so what is the next one? Fresh fruits. Now we have here combination of 2 fruits. One is papaya, so we're using Brazilian papaya, which is like a really nice pinky orange, fresh, and a mango. So we're gonna get, the original recipe was created with only mango, but I decided to mix a little bit things. So yeah, so 2 cubes of papaya. You can put more, of course, and 3-4 cubes of mango. So it's just a tropical fruit. We're going full in, like a funky tropic stuff. There you go.
Very nice.
And finally, a few modifiers. One of them is the peach bitters, which you can ignore if you don't have it and you don't want to buy it because you're not using it on a regular basis. That's absolutely fine. But of course, if you get it, it's nothing wrong. It's bitters, they stay for a long time. So you have just 2 dashes of the peach bitters. Is he missing the top?
Yeah, I was fully just about to.
As usual. So we're gonna do, right, I'm gonna go with very little, like just a little bit on the bar spoon, okay? Where is my top of the bitters?
I haven't taken it.
I haven't. I mean, I probably did. I probably did for something like I usually do. Put in the small, like a dasher, and I forgot to put it back, and then it's gone. Anyway, 2 dashes of peach bitter, and finally a dash or just a little pipette of the star anise. That's it. What you do? Just put the whole
whole thing.
Yeah, it's like a dash. That's it. So star anise bitters. This is Mrs. Better Bitters. I always have hard time to say that, but it's a wonderful bitter, especially for tropical cocktails.
Very nice.
Now, there's 2 choices here. If you want to create this as a frozen cocktail, obviously you can use some crush ice and create it as a slushy, but that's not the original idea of the cocktail. The cocktail is served over ice. This is more kind of to introduce a quick dilution and chill down the cocktail, so when it's served over ice, it's staying for longer cold and it doesn't dilute the fresh ice, okay? So just 4 or 5 cubes inside, no more. You don't need really much. Gonna get the blender ready for you here. There you go. How many? That's it. Wonderful. And I always forgot which way is that. That's the way. And just give it a quick blast. Obviously, just to break a little bit of ice, give it a quick dilution, chill out, and serve. That's it. I love this blender because
I literally blinked and it.
You finish and then you have the cocktail pitch ready. So we're gonna serve it in a lovely, like a can glass, which I call it. Just fill it up with ice. Go on. That's it. One more. There we go. As I said, this is a cocktail to be prepared like in a cocktail pitch, so you serve over ice and you can just keep topping up and topping up. So we're doing one serve, or like a 1.5, let's put it that way, because the glass, how it is, it's not gonna fit everything. But you can create this, multiply the recipe, make a liter of it, and just absolutely enjoy. So it's gonna have a nice, lovely froth on the top. Beautiful.
Wow.
And then finally, completely optional. Now, originally the cocktail was served with a mango slice, so you can have a mango slice on the top, or you can just use a little bit of nutmeg, and that's all it is. So I'm just gonna drop a little bit of nutmeg. There you go. And then we're gonna put the mango on the top, and this is it. We need a straw, which I'm gonna grab now. Ideally, a bamboo straw, it will be fantastic, and a one which says just shake or stir on it.
You must use a branded straw.
No, you don't have to. It's a joke, you don't have to. Now, you can serve it without a straw, it's absolutely fine, but if you want to just presentable like this or just to use as a stirrer, just serve it with a straw, and that's it. So, I think I'm gonna change it.
Smaller straw.
Yeah, just leave it like that. There you go, my lovely friends. That's Julie Island for, we don't know who's Julie.
But she's making it.
And where is her island, but...
It's like a nice cocktail.
Yeah, that's the cocktail,
Julie,
so... You're gonna try it?
Thank you.
It's a wonderful sip, I can tell you that.
It's like a smoothie.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like...
Oh, lovely.
You have this lovely aroma from the nutmeg.
It's a bit dangerous because I can't really taste much.
It's not overly sweet, which is really good. So you don't, it's refreshing.
That is lovely.
Have a little zest. Obviously the apricot brings the sweetness down, because originally I created it with pineapple liqueur.
Yeah, that works.
And it was a little bit kind of over the top of sweetness. But that's much better. And while you're drinking it, you can just keep topping up. And then you just go.
Like I said, dangerous.
Go waste it. That's it. Right. So here we go, another episode, another cocktail.
That was a good one.
Yeah, which you can find only on Just Shake or Stir. Don't forget to check Mixology Hacks for other things if you want to learn how to do syrups, tinctures and infusions and things like that. And I'll see you next week. I think it'll be just me next week, yeah, because...
Sorry, some of us got to work.
We all work. It's just the problem, we always have to work different shifts. So when I'm not there, Nif should be there, or
Yeah.
It's very hard to get time together, but yeah, we'll manage it. Anyway, it's been nice to entertain you.
Absolutely.
Me again, because she doesn't talk too much as always.
I'm getting more talkative.
Are you getting talkative? More talkative. That's a new word for me.
Talkative.
More talkative. The English language is a very strange. Yeah, it's a very, anyway.
More chatty.
More chatty.
It's like you've heard that one.
Right,
Yeah.
That's it. We're gonna go drink that, and yeah, stay safe, guys. If you find Julie Island on the map, let us know where it is, because I literally don't have a clue why it's...
Well,
I don't remember.
It would only be fair if we do a video in Julie Island next week.
If you're the owner of Julie Island...
Can we come?
Yeah, can we come? We're waiting for your phone call, okay? And we'll come and do cocktails for you.
We'll make them, yeah.
Yeah, fantastic.
Sounds
right.
like a fair deal.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya, bye.